You guys, I'm super excited because we are going to be selling our house soon and very soon. So we have to get the house ready for the walkthroughs, but more importantly for the pictures so that it can actually go on the website so people can actually want to do a walkthrough. So it is very, very important that I declutter everything. And the purpose of decluttering is to make the house look better. My room is so big, so big. It's like the entire half of the house. And then it has like this whole little area over here that we never done anything with, but just like put things here when we come back from our travels. Disturbingly huge. I have my recording equipment over there. So when I'm recording in the bathroom, I just transfer it. It's not much that I have to do with the room because with staging, they're gonna bring some furniture in here to make it look better, to give people ideas on how to style their own house. Anyway, so first things first, this closet. Hey y'all, it is a his and hers closet, so this is my side. Very cluttered because I have all of my hair products and stuff that I like to use for my videos over here. I got my sweats on that side and hella match shoes that I don't even wear. And then this is my husband's side. He doesn't have like a side over here like mine does, but I'm gonna first like pack away some of the clothes that I'm not even going to wear. Luckily, I have 3 containers here because hopefully this house sells within the next like 2 months. Oh, I hope it sells within 2 months or so. And if I need clothes, then I can just easily just access those containers and get the clothes out. This is also the perfect opportunity to see if I'm going to keep clothes or not, because I don't know if I can even fit this. Oh look, I can. I am making great progress with my clothes. I have completely finished this side of my closet. I have to go to work, so I can't finish the closet right now. So I have the other side to finish when I guess I'm on my lunch break or after work. I work from home. I don't normally go out. I'm such a homebody. So yeah, I'm just gonna put most of my clothes in the container. If you guys had a box or a container of shoes that you haven't worn in like 2 years almost, would you give them away? Because now that I look at the shoes, I'm like, I haven't worn these in 2 years. I forgot these were even in here. Loved these boots because look how cute. And they're very durable. Actually, I think I'm gonna keep these for just in case it snows. I'm gonna keep these. I just talked myself into those. But all the other ones we are throwing away. So now I'm about to go through my drawers and just give away a bunch of stuff because these are clothes that I don't wear. I basically wear the same outfit over and over and over. I am an avid outfit repeater. So this shirt, I loved this Drake shirt. I'm a huge Drizzy fan. I actually got this shirt from my husband. So this is already a hand-me-down. So I'm gonna follow suit and hand this down to somebody else. So I have a bag of clothes already here. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can fill it up some more with some warm clothes, some like sweaters and stuff that I don't actually wear. Yeah, we'll give this away. Giving away a lot of clothes. I am definitely keeping some mustard color. I love turtlenecks, as you can see, and then I also like prints. I have no idea what to wear with this, but I love a good turtleneck and I love a good print. So we're keeping these. My grandma sweater. Remember this grandma sweater? Wow! Whoa!
I ain't see wear that in a minute.
Yeah.
Oh, that's why it's gone?
No, it's thing.
Oh, okay.
I have a lot of turtlenecks. Is why I got this black turtleneck and I have another one out there, but this is ribbed. This whole thing over here is turtlenecks. Turtleneck. Keeping a lot of like my winter attire. I love winter. I love fall. Favorite season. Oh, this would be a cute hat like if I went to England. This is such a cute hat. We're keeping this. These are sweaters and sweater dresses and cardigans. And at the rate I'm going, I'm gonna need a container just for my wigs. Throw this on right now. Right now. Boom. Look at that. Rip it off. So y'all, I don't know if you noticed. So your products, they expire. It has like the time frame on here that says 12 months. You're supposed to leave this on your shelf for 12 months. This has a 12-month shelving time. So I'm throwing away all of the products I've had that I probably haven't used for like the last year because, well, probably most of a year because I've had platin for most of this year. All this is either empty or expired. So yeah, make sure y'all throw away y'all expired products. I need to start washing my hair utensils because after I use a brush and it looks really dirty, I just get a new brush. I buy a new one because these are like $1. So I just buy new. I throw the old one away and I buy new ones. That is wasteful. Like, I can just wash these. And so if y'all have some recommendations down below, let me know. What do y'all use to wash your hair tool? It is 6 o'clock in the morning. I think it's like September the 3rd. I have to work at 7 o'clock because I picked up overtime. But I have so many shoes. Too many shoes. And so I'm about to go through those and pick out which ones I actually wear, which ones I don't. The ones I don't wear, I'm giving it away. I should sell it because most of those shoes are in really good condition. Like, I probably only wore them one time. I know there's a couple I haven't worn at all. I have made my decision. These are the shoes that I'm keeping. I'm keeping all of my sneakers. That looks so much better. And I don't even know if I'm even going to wear those shoes, to be honest. But these are the shoes that I'm going to give away. Do y'all want to see them? I've worn these one time. These are like the only shoes that I was like kind of wrestling with because they're so cute. Like, look at these boots. I can see me just like strutting my stuff, but my sister's right. I don't really wear heels. And these are like skinny heels too. Giving these away. These, I bought these for like an all white party and I decided to wear gold accessories. And same with these. I'm not gonna wear these ever again. Pointy heel, got the strap around the ankle. These are giving like Barbie 70s, got the platform joints going on. Professional, but they're patent. I used to love these boots, strutting in these boots. Cottage shoes. They look like I'm about to take this wagon to school. The thing is, if you have style, you know how to dress, you can make anything look cute. These are the shoes that I'm giving away. I'm super excited. I feel accomplished. One side is done. I just need to do my sweats. Why do I have so many sweats? I love being comfortable, especially since I work from home and it's just, I like the feeling of sweats. But y'all know I'm trying to shy away from the sweats, so I'm gonna give some sweats away. Well, this looks amazing, beautifully staged. I gotta move my plant. Oh, beautifully staged. I love a clean house, I do. This looks like a totally different house. Y'all, today drained me. So I woke up at like 3 something this morning, 3 o'clock a.m. Can't go sleep. I'm like, wow, I have so much to do, but I'm so paralyzed with how much stuff I have to do. So I just laid there. Anyway, so we got up early in the morning and I feel like maybe like around 6 o'clock, 5:30-ish. That's when I started to like get up and get stuff done, clean, did this, did that. Like, I did so much stuff. And then like after I cleaned for like a good like 3 hours, I had to go straight to work. Luckily I work from home, so it's just like so convenient. So I went to work, but during my lunch break I started cleaning and rearranging. Like, I feel like this entire process is just cleaning. And the first time we sold our house, it's our 3rd time selling a house, by the way. The first time we sold our house, they were like, treat it as if you're packing. And so that's what we did. And I'm not complaining at all. I'm just like explaining what's happening today and why I'm so tired. And so even on my lunch break, I'm cleaning, I'm putting stuff away, I'm doing this, I'm doing that, I'm mopping, so much. I was doing so much today. And then I went back to work. And then as soon as I clocked out of work, mind you, I have a call center job. I work from home, so I'm taking calls like back to 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 back calls. No breaks in between. Can't breathe. As soon as I say bye, I'm saying hi. Like, whoo, chill. After work, we have 15 minutes because I get up at 4:45. The lady's supposed to be there at 5 o'clock. And so we're just like rushing. And she finally came inside the house. I'm just like, oh crap, we're not done. And oh my gosh. Whew. She did the pictures. All of this for, I feel like she did it in like 30 minutes or so. Like she took pictures downstairs, upstairs, nothing in the closets. She did the bathrooms. She couldn't get my closet. Hopefully, I guess people, when they do the walkthrough in the open house, they'll see it. So she's gonna have the pictures done by tomorrow, and maybe the house will go live by Friday. Whew. So yeah, I'm tired. My husband bought us some pizza, so we are eating pizza for dinner. And I'm watching The Best of Me. I've been watching this movie for 3 days now. Oh. That is warm. Oh wow. It's a Philly cheesesteak pizza from Domino's. I am a Domino's kind of girl. And this Philly cheesesteak pizza is bomb. It's bomb. Good morning. Today is open house day. So we gotta make sure this house is clean. Well, as clean as it can be. Boy. Oh, let me show you the update on the closet. So last night I organized all of my sweats. So these are just the ones that I'm keeping. These are the ones that actually has sets, or the ones I typically wear together. So these are the ones that I am keeping. These are the ones that I am getting rid of. So I gotta put these in a plastic bag and take them downstairs. And then I gotta vacuum. And I gotta do all that before work. Wow, this closet looks so different. Oh, wow. Okay. All right. Perfect. Okay. So. How about we didn't even have the open house today? We did all of this cleaning. Room looks amazing. Vacuumed the floors. My mom cleaned the kitchen. This house is spotless. Spotless, I tell you, spotless. And we didn't even end up having the open house. Our realtor forgot to tell us that she had plans. Yeah, and so I had to cancel the open house last week because of my trip to LA for the YouTube shopping event. Yeah, so I ended up having to cancel the open house, and we were like, let's push it back a week. This is the week. So we ended up not having the open house today, which is okay, because I mean, the house is clean. It's always good to have a clean house. I don't know about y'all, but I love a clean house. Also, you guys, we found a house. We narrowed it down. We had remember 6 or 5 houses that we were kind of indecisive about, and we figured out which house we want. I'm just a lot of words because I'm so excited.